Oh wow, I can smell that perfume now. Yeah, wow, my skin smells like I just walked through Macy's. That's what my skin smells like right now. That perfume is so pungent. Wow. Hey y'all, welcome back to Looks by Naheemah, and I am Naheemah. As you can see by the title of the video, today we're going to be doing a skincare video, and I know I haven't done a skincare video on my channel in a hot minute, but we're back and we're here and we're thriving, and this one is a really good one for you guys. We're going to be reviewing Mario Badescu. I have a really cool new facial cleansing brush, as well as a huge coupon code for you guys to save money off of that brush, as well as an updated nighttime skincare routine for you guys. So this is a jam-packed skincare video for all you skincare lovers, which I definitely am. I love skincare so much. I probably love skincare even more than makeup, which you gotta be surprised because of all the makeup I have on my face. And y'all, I just finished filming my full face using Juvia's Place video. So if you guys like this look, this like pride theme eyeshadow look that I have going on in this full face beat, it's actually all from Juvia's Place. So if you guys want to see what products I use, what techniques I use, make sure you go check out that video. I'll leave it linked up in the eye, whichever direction it is. I never know, but you know, go check out that video afterwards if you like this makeup look. And you guys are gonna see the real tea on Mario Badescu. We're here in my bathroom. We're about to get into it, but before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You click that notification bell on so that you're notified whenever I upload. I upload twice a week, so you never want to miss out. Also, be sure you give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you like these kind of skincare videos. Let's continue on and get this beat off my face. A regular makeup shopper was perusing the aisles of Ulta and was like, hey, I'm out of like some skincare products, let me try something new, like let me get inspired. And, I like to switch it up every few months because I feel like your skin eventually gets used to the skincare you're using. So I decided to go buy Mario Badescu, and like many other Ulta shoppers, you've probably seen these gift sets, these little travel size kits that come with like, mini size versions of their full size products they can try out. So you can try out their whole system and see what works better for your skin. They have it's for dry skin, acne prone skin, anti-aging sets, and they have this set for combo oily skin. So since I have oily skin, I decided to go ahead and pick this set up. It was for like the really reasonable price of $30 for 5 of their smaller versions of their full-size product, so you're able to try it out and see how it works on your skin before you commit to a full-size bottle. But a lot of people in the skincare community, aren't sure about Mario Badescu because a lot of their products contain fragrance and some chemicals that can be harsh on your skin. And as a person who personally has sensitive skin, usually I try to stay away from fragrant products and all that. But the reason why I was kind of intrigued to try this out and put my skin at risk is because, and if you watched my previous skincare routine, specifically the nighttime skincare routine, I'll have it linked up above in the eye if you want to go check that out. I included my Mario Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner, which is one of my favorite skincare products that I often use. It is a staple in my nighttime skincare routine, and this product does actually contain fragrance. I only had good results with this as long as I don't use it too often. I was wondering if I could apply that same thing for other products because I've only tried this as well as their drying lotion. I've realized that I would say in general it's probably just a pass on the drying lotion, so we can already nix the drying lotion out if you have sensitive skin. I wouldn't suggest. Basically, I just want to see what products irritate my skin. Usually if I have an itchy feeling from products, that's how I know it's irritating my skin, especially if the next day I get a breakout, then I know it's irritating my skin. So all that information I'll let you know for fellow sensitive skin people out there. We're gonna get the real tea on Mario Badescu. Should you buy it? Is it worth your money? Is it worth your time? Or is it just scam skincare? We're gonna see that. First step in my nighttime skincare routine is I typically just take a makeup remover wipe. Right now I am using the Fake Beauty makeup removing towelette. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this face beat, say goodbye to the beat, She was cute. We liked her for a minute. Now she has to say goodbye. So goodbye to Face Beat. As you guys can see, a lot of like fresh makeup on my face. So because of that, I'm actually gonna take an extra step and go in with my micellar water routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Garnier Skin Active all-in-one mattifying micellar water. And I just like to use this stuff just to remove makeup and as like a lazy day cleansing step, especially on the days that I don't wear makeup, because then you can just use micellar water and, you know, get off like some of those oils that collect throughout the day but that aren't makeup. So maybe you don't have to use something as aggressive as a cleanser onto your face. So that's why I like to have micellar water around. There's actually a new addition to my skincare routine has actually been using a cleansing oil, and I'm actually using the NYX Cosmetics cleansing oil. It's called Stripped Off. I will leave a link down in the description down below to all the products that I'm using so you guys can be able to find it. But I actually really like this. I was worried about using a cleansing oil because I thought they might break me out. Usually anything with coconut oil breaks me out, and this one luckily does not have coconut oil, but you know, oil, I was concerned, you know, and rightfully so, because like I said, sensitive skin, honestly anything can break me out. Aloe vera could possibly break me out because that's how much my skin breaks out. Some oil. And one squirt gives you a lot of oil, and I kind of just rub that into my hands and rub that onto my face. Kind of just melts the makeup off. And I will say, the smell was not pleasant, but don't inhale that much and it won't bother you. And definitely in the eyes, you got mascara on. Just trying to melt that mascara off. So we're going to be using the cleanser out of this, and what they included in the combo oily set was their Enzyme Cleansing Gel. And this is how it's packaged. It's packaged really nice. It's just like, you know, small versions of the products, really cute. So I'm going to be taking the Enzyme Cleansing Gel. The one that comes in this set is 2 fluid ounces, which is 59 milliliters. And the main claims on this one, it says, cleanse twice a day with our best-selling face wash. This papaya and grapefruit infused formula removes excess oil and dueling surface impurities to rejuvenate the complexion, leaving the skin bright and refreshed. See, the big part of this that you do have to know is right in the middle, it says perfume, fragrance, and, you know, parentheses. So this definitely has fragrance in this, and it's not like a little amount because it's not at the end. It is right in the middle, so it has a decent amount of perfume fragrance. So this has a possibility of breaking me out. I'm putting my skin at risk, y'all, for your pleasure, so leave it down below. But the awesome part is that today with this cleanser, I'm going to be also testing out this really cool new facial cleansing brush that I just received. It is from Duvolle Cosmetics. It's their full skincare system. It actually comes with 4 different heads, which is really cool because most skincare systems only come with 1 or maybe 2, but this one comes with 4. And it comes with, you know, the classic cleansing head, just regular, just for your face. For cleansers, that's the one I'm going to be using today. And it also comes with an exfoliating head, so with your exfoliators, it's going to give you more of like a deep clean. They also have the large one, which is the body brush. So it is waterproof, so that's really awesome. So you can use this in the shower. And it also comes with a pumice stone, so you can use those on the more like tough spots of your skin. So it's really awesome. I definitely see a use for all 4 of these heads, and it comes with 1 singular body. And the cool thing about this is, you know, you guessed it, it says spin care system, so the brush actually spins. A lot of more affordable brushes don't actually, you know, give you the rotation. They don't actually give you the spin. So this one really actually does. And, you know, the fire part is, you know, this actually retails for $95, which is a pretty penny, I know, but Duvolle Cosmetics really hooked you guys up. They gave me a coupon code that's gonna give you guys, wait a minute, hold up. You're gonna wanna hear this. It's gonna give you guys 70% off of this spin care system. You're literally only having to pay 30%. Like 70% off. I'm gonna say it one more time. 70% off. That's so much. If I were you guys, go pick this up. I have a link to it directly in my description box down below. I'll have the coupon code flash on the screen so you guys are able to get this amazing deal. And so I just put on the regular, you know, cleansing head on there, and I just want to show you guys how it spins. See, it actually really does spin. It's really, really cool. So I just put a bit, not too much. Basically, I'm just gonna put this on my face in circular motions. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, so. Oh my gosh! It makes a noise. Also say that I'm really smelling the grapefruit and papaya extract from the cleanser. It's really, really pungent. So we shall see if that's a good thing or a bad thing. And so I'm gonna go ahead and wash off this cleanser. And I'm kind of surprised it didn't suds up. Like, I guess this is not like a foaming cleanser, which is what I'm usually used to, especially for oily skin. So I guess it's just a gel cleanser, like it says. It doesn't foam up or anything, just straight up and simple. The main things that I noticed was, you know, you can really smell the pungency of the papaya extract and everything. Another thing I'll note is I feel like my skin doesn't feel like super clean. Usually after I use cleansers or like my go-to everyday cleanser, my skin feels really, really clean. I feel like all the dirt and impurities are off my face, but right now I feel like I still have makeup on my skin. It's kind of like a weird, uncomfortable feeling, especially after going through all those steps and still having that feeling, but I don't know, we'll see. I don't know. I feel like if it's more than $10 full price, I just don't see the point of it. It's not doing anything that my cleanser doesn't do better, you know? And my cleanser that I'm currently using is like $8. So we have 4 more products in here to try out. Y'all, it's like 5 a.m. right now. It's late. I don't feel like doing a mask right now, but if you guys really, really want to see how this mask performs, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to do maybe feature it in a future skincare video, or maybe even do it on my Insta stories over on Instagram. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, be sure to go check me out. The natural next step is going to be the Cucumber Cleansing Lotion. And what this one says is a deep clean oily troubled skin while removing residual dirt, oil, and makeup with our refreshing cucumber infused toner, specifically formulated with cucumber extract, a natural skin softener with cooling and astringent properties that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids to nourish skin. And basically it says you can use it in the morning and the evening. I don't know why they insist on putting so much fragrance in their products, but another cool thing is that the packaging does say it's cruelty free and paraben free. So hey, if it has fragrance, at least let it be paraben free, you know, like let's not completely kill our skin. But it smells like alcohol, complete alcohol. My other one doesn't smell like alcohol. It's like, are they sure they put perfume in this? Because sis is smelling like alcohol. So you shouldn't overly dry out your skin. You should actually replenish your skin of moisture so that it doesn't produce that excess oil. So I'm a little bit worried as far as that alcohol goes. I mean, it definitely mattifies your skin, but I mean, after I'm done cleansing, I don't really need my skin to necessarily be matte. Oh wow, I can smell that perfume now. Yeah, wow, my skin smells like I just walked through Macy's. That's what my skin smells like right now. That perfume is so pungent. Wow. And like, I will say with this toner, I was trying to give it a minute and see if it went away. I feel a little bit of the tinglies. I do feel a little bit of the tinglies. So this one might be a worrisome one. Right now it's not looking that great for MARIO BADESCU, so I can't say I'm recommending this cleanser, and I definitely can't say I'm recommending this Cucumber Cleansing Lotion, because I'm like, I don't really see the benefit of this. It just seems like it's drying my skin out. The products in here are the 2 moisturizers. So we have a really, really tiny, if I can even get it out, oh my gosh, Seaweed night cream, which is most likely what I'm going to be using because, you know, it's night. Then there's also the aloe moisturizer with SPF 15 in there. I will actually save this one for the morning time. And then I'm gonna go in with this Seaweed night cream, and obviously it's so tiny it doesn't have any information on it, so I'm gonna see if the box has something. It says nourish skin with lightweight plumping hydration, wake up with radiant never oily looking skin. It says to apply every evening after cleansing and toning, layer over a serum for enhanced resistance. I'm again seeing perfume. I'm also seeing alcohol in this. I'm also seeing a variation of different acids. So this is a very interesting nighttime cream. It recommends putting it over a serum, but this kit doesn't come with the serum. It would have been nice for this to actually come with everything it probably recommends, but you know, marketing tactic, they want you to buy their other stuff. And this is like literally the tiniest sample ever, and it's like, it looks like almost like a paste. Like, this is interesting. It doesn't look like much of a cream to me. Honestly, sometimes these products be sketching me out. Look, it looks dried in there. Like it's been in there for like 10 years. Do you see that? It looks so old. I don't know what this is supposed to look like, but right out of the packaging, this is what it's looking like. It doesn't look much of a cream, and it looks super old, like it's been drying in there. But I'm just gonna dot this over my face. And smells pleasant, yeah. But I guess that would be the perfume. From the amount that I did use from this Seaweed night cream, I think I actually like it. It's nice. It feels nourishing to use a bit, but as far as the products that you can use at nighttime, I think that is it. So I'm gonna go to sleep, and in the morning, I'm gonna be able to use this in the morning, see if anything broke me out.